Here are 4 possible reasons why water is coming from the floor. Dear friends, water seeping through floorboards is a homeowner's nightmare, signaling potential problems ranging from minor inconveniences to major structural faults. This video is crafted for homeowners who may be perplexed by or experiencing this issue. We'll explore the variety of reasons this occurs. Improper drainage in your home's floor. One common culprit for water seeping through the floor is improper drainage around the foundation. Seasonal changes can cause soil to expand and contract, exerting pressure on your home's exterior walls. When these walls have to contend with water accumulation due to poor drainage, they can eventually concede and allow water entry. Checking your gutter system. The first step in investigating drainage issues is evaluating your gutter system. Clogged gutters can cause water to overflow and pool around your home's foundation. Regular cleaning and inspection will help prevent this. Also, make sure that your downspouts extend 5 feet from your home, directing water away from the foundation. Sump pump installation. If your basement or crawl space is at risk of flooding due to high water tables or poor grading, a sump pump can be a pivotal defense mechanism. By collecting and redirecting water out of your home, a sump pump can save you from water seepage headaches. Plumbing leaks in homes. A more imminent and concerning source of floor water seepage is a plumbing leak. The issue might be hidden in the walls or beneath the slab, slowly deteriorating your home's integrity and potentially leading to mold growth. Plumbing leaks can manifest in various ways, ranging from noticeable wet spots to unexpected spikes in your water bill. A key detection method involves observing changes in water pressure and quality, as well as inspecting exposed pipes for signs of damage. Once a leak is identified, it's crucial to act swiftly to prevent further damage. Consult a licensed plumber, who can employ advanced techniques like camera inspections and leak detection meters to pinpoint the problem source and propose relevant solutions. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.